Not too long ago, we observed kindergartners marching and using Black Lives Matter signs at an expensive school in Washington, D.C. Andrew Gutman and Paul Rossi, after watching hundreds of leaked videos, are sounding the alarm over the indoctrination in private schools. The elite independent schools are looking for something called DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion. The goal? Reshape society. They want DEI to be integrated into every aspect of schools. Anything short is curriculum violence. All schools' messaging must be scrubbed for non-inclusive language. Libraries must excise all non-inclusive books. The elites feel that kindergartens are natural social justice warriors. Gutman and Rossi say they want free space, safe space. Code word: prohibiting speech. They plan to shut down speech by interrupting speakers and letting them know that their speakers are unacceptable. The goals? They want to remake society into a collective stripped of individualism. All aspects of white supremacy must be eradicated. Right now, this is private schools. But wait, they want to train students to tear down foundations of society similar to that of the Red Guard. It's all laid out in a podcast called Chalk Board Heresy. I find it hard to believe that there are people that would lead our way to a frightened society like they have in China. This indoctrination is dangerous. It must be rejected in Western civilization. I'm Dan Rivers. That's my story. Join me weekday mornings at 9 on 570 WKBN.